So why is it so confusing?
I think it might not be working, but that's mad confusing.
No,
Like,
okay, look at this.
to take the scan off.
So tap and pay is here. Scan and pay with your digital membership is down here. Insert payments is down here for the regular card. Like how many this is like, what was that tapping game? What was that tapping game? It's like really confusing because I'm like, wait, what? And like you're supposed to figure that out. Like, I don't know, maybe this is something that is all over the place.
Can I ask you a question? They only take Visa. Why do they have it City Visa separate from Visa? Like that's not a Visa card.
Because they used to have American Express, Costco.
Yeah, but this is the same
still
thing.
Visa. Yeah, still Visa. Yeah, why are you giving them complicated questions?
No, I don't understand that. Is like City Visa separate from Visa? That doesn't make sense to me.
Costco, you too complicated.